Now I get it. So I'm able to wake up my remote for my GoPro. Anyway, I'm still learning the remotes and all the other good stuff. Had a nice run ride. It is windy. If you were able to look around my neighborhood right now, all the trash cans are blown down and people have pretty much just given up on picking them up. So it's really strong. I came into town, and you'll see that video as I come into town. But I actually had to give the Can Am fuel coming down the hill into Naturita, right, and that's about 30 seconds prior to when I stopped for the cattle, and you'll see what I mean. There's baby cows. This is my favorite time of the year for being an ex-cattleman, and I'm a Minnesotan one, but we kept a lot more close contact with our cattle, and dairy farmers tend to do that kind of thing. So I always look forward to it and look forward to kind of spending spring with the cattle. And the babies are just adorable. They'll be adorable for the next 6 weeks, and they get mid-size. And even my wife is kind of amazed at that, how much the little herdlings have come along in the last couple of weeks. But it's spring season. They're almost done. So I stopped and took some pictures of some cows playing. Other than that, that's all I got for today. I'm not going to run too long. So, working on trying to improve my mood and improve my health, and I'm really kind of sick and tired of people getting on my nerves. So, and it's up to me to control that. So, I'm out. Have a good night.